Data is hugely important to us here at B&H Worldwide, as it enables us to understand and improve processes and procedures, which in turn drive improved customer experience, reduce waste, and improve profitability. Our analytics journey was driven by large volumes of data across multiple systems that were difficult to consolidate, which meant that information was never really delivered in a timely manner. So, our goal was always to allow a self-service approach to data, but also to ensure that decision makers had relevant, timely information at their fingertips at all times. The selection of Qlik was a relatively simple one for us. We liked the simplicity. We loved the look and feel, and the cost of entry suited our needs in terms of proof of concept type approach, so there wasn't really another choice for us in the market. I see three keys to our success in adopting Qlik. First of all was getting stakeholder buy-in at a very early stage. Secondly, we identified a partner that we believed that we could work very closely with and shared our philosophy in terms of implementation, and that was data technology. And thirdly, I think start small. It's okay to start with perhaps a few key KPIs, and once the organisation is familiar with the look and feel of Qlik and understand the benefits that those few dashboards deliver, it's very easy to then start deploying and growing additional applications in order to support the rest of the business. We now, as an organisation, have constant access to timely, relevant information, which means we're able to participate in almost immediate decision making, which has made a huge difference to our organisation, particularly during the last 18 months. Qlik has been adopted across the entire organisation. Our operations teams use it to understand on-time delivery. Our customers use it to understand their spend and also how we're performing against KPIs that have been set. And our senior management team use Qlik on a daily basis to understand the cadence and trajectory of our business. So it's been a great success from our point of view. The most used app across the whole group would be our sales KPI, which we created as part of our proof of concept. And whilst it has evolved since that time, it's very similar to the way we initially created it. And what that does is gives us an insight into the cadence of our business by customer, product, shipment size, and essentially gives us a view of the number of shipments we're doing each day for our customers, what the value of those shipments is, are there any shipments that we haven't billed yet, and is a real key driver for us in terms of understanding our trajectory on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Data governance has been hugely important for us, and one of the key lessons that we've learned is not only to have dashboards that provide interesting insights and allow timely decision making, but also to create apps that measure data integrity. So alongside our apps that we're sharing with customers and stakeholders internally, we have a set of data integrity reports that identify where data might be missing or looks spurious, and that's really been key from a building confidence perspective, not only internally but also externally in terms of our customers using reporting that we're sharing with them. And then I think data literacy has been more of an evolution in terms of people understanding the terminology that we're using in terms of our dashboards and applications. But I would say my top tip for data governance is definitely set up some data integrity reporting. That will prove invaluable in the future. My top tip to anybody starting out on this analytics journey would be, don't be afraid to start small. Prove the worth of the changes you're going to make, get lots of buy-in early on, and take the organisation with you. Accept that this is an evolution, not a revolution, and I think that will enable you to be successful. We have recently invested in Qlik WebSense with a view to improving our customer reporting experience. Currently, the majority of our customer reports are delivered once a month via the Qlik end printing platform, and we are currently working with a handful of customers to deliver self-service analytics directly to them at the press of a button. So that's quite exciting, and I think that will be a real benefit to both us and our customers as we move forward.